This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Kelly Scarborough. Spacious home with sunroom on 1.75 acres in Cabot. Seller is currently painting interior and will give a $2,500 flooring allowance at closing for buyer. All rooms are spacious, huge laundry room and great closet storage throughout. 25 by 25 detached garage with electric and double roll-up doors. Nice deck overlooking backyard. Don't miss this one. A must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Scarborough at 501-982-7474.